Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have my weekly nail art tutorial video for you. In October I tried to post as many Halloween related videos as possible, and this week's YouTubers Facebook group Collab is actually about our favorite monsters. I'm wondering if you guys can kind of guess based on this stamping plate which is mine, but you will of course shortly see it. If you do enjoy this type of videos, then please give me a thumbs up, and of course if you're new here or coming from the other channels that joined into today's collab, then welcome. I hope you will like what you see here, and if you do, then please hit the subscribe button before you leave. I will be using for my manicure a polish and a top coat that were both sent to me as PR, but I found this Moonshine Mani polish as a perfect base for my favorite monster. Did you guess it by now? If not, I won't tease you any longer. I love mummies, even though they are scary. I think they are kind of cute type of monster, and they are perfect for Halloween type manicures as well. At the end of my video, I will leave you all the pictures that were created for today's collab, and of course all the video links will be in the description box, so definitely check it out and go show some love to the other ladies who joined today's collab. And I think that's it, but if you do have any questions or comments, please just leave them for me in the comment section. So happy Halloween. I know it's still a little early, but I am in a Halloween mood. Continue watching the nail art tutorial portion, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.